welcome to a very special day in which we honor and celebrate the completion of a major modernization effort here at the Central Elementary School. 10% of all the schools in the state of California are 70 years or older. And this school is one of those schools. And with this major modernization effort, we've made this school a whole lot better. These kinds of projects just don't happen on their own. They happen through a lot of dedication, a lot of perseverance, a lot of hard work, and also a lot of professionalism. We had a dream about a bond. We knew that our facilities had some challenges. With the help of the citizens of Escondido, we passed a $182 million bond. This bond program is about three things: modernizing our facilities, increasing our IT infrastructure, and we also want to make sure that our schools are safe. So I think we can safely say that Central Elementary School has gotten a whole lot better. And when our schools are better, our community's better. Caitlin came to us about 2 years ago. She's currently a 10th grader. We'd like to engage in a fundraising activity to put money towards the stage structure. Stage structure that you're seeing right behind you.
With this maiden project at Central School, we hope to protect students from excessive exposure to UV rays, as well as educate current and future students on the importance of sun protection. So on behalf of Sun Safety for Schools, we look forward to future collaborations with the EUSD.
All the things that I've just talked to you about are a result of leadership. Folks stepping up to the plate and assuming their leadership role.
Everyone has a special affinity to this school. Built in 1938, this school has touched the lives of many, many, many children. Everyone wants the best for their child. That's a common goal. That's a common value that I believe we all have. If you believe it, it will happen. And we all believed. And we know we're on a great trajectory in this district to improve the lives of our kids. Because when they believe that they can do anything that they want, it will become a reality.
This place is magical. This place, you can feel the history of this school, but you can also feel the newness and the life. Every person that you ever meet, when you talk about Central School, this is what they do. Central School. They grab their heart. You can have the most beautiful state-of-the-art school in the world, but what happens inside those four walls is what matters. And what makes that happen, that magic happen, are the staff and the students of this very community.